Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Karin Zahra from English Language Education 7th semester class D. And here I will present about my mini proposal with the title The Effect of Using Word Wall Application on the Vocabulary Mastery of the 8th grade students at MTS Harsalakum. My lecturer is Sir Ejon Tommy Afrizon, MPD. And this video for my final exam for the subject seminar on issue in ELT. And now I will explain about the background of my mini proposal. English is an international language used for global communication, education, technology, and science. And then vocabulary is the foundation of English proficiency. Without sufficient vocabulary, students struggle to read, write, and communicate. It's by Nation 2020. At MTS Harsalakum, many students still have difficulty of remembering and applying new vocabulary in speaking and writing activity. And teaching method in the classroom are still dominated by memorization, translation, and teacher-centered explanation. And then this traditional method makes students passive, disenchant, and less motivated to learn English. In the digital era, teachers need interactive learning media to increase engagement and learning outcomes. And last, WordWall is a digital gamified platform that offers quizzes, matching games, puzzles, and more to make vocabulary learning more enjoyable. And now, research gap. Many studies show that WordWall is effective in improving students' vocabulary achievement. However, few students focus on Islamic school or MTS context where students' learning culture, motivation, and access to technology may differ. And last, therefore, research is needed to examine whether WordWall is effective for MTS Harsalakum students. And research question. The first one. Does the use of WordWall application significantly affect students' vocabulary mastery? The second one, is there any difference in vocabulary achievement between students tough using WordWall and those tough using conventional method? And the last one, or the third one, what are the students' response toward the use of WordWall in vocabulary learning? And now, research objective. There are three the research objectives. The first one, determine the significant effect of WordWall on students' vocabulary mastery. It's mean whether WordWall improves student vocabulary mastery. The second one, compare the vocabulary achievement between the WordWall group and the conventional group. And the third one, describe student response, motivation, and engagement when using WordWall. Now, literature review of vocabulary mastery. Vocabulary mastery includes the first one, word form, pronunciation, and spelling. The second one, word meaning. The third one, word use in spoken or written context. And the last one, word retention or long-term memory. Effective vocabulary learning requires repeated practice, meaningful context, and interactive media. And WordWall application. WordWall is an interactive platform that allows teachers to create digital games such as quizzes, word matching, maze case, and word search, or puzzle. Strengths of WordWalls. The first, gamification. The second, interactive and student-centered. The third, immediate feedback. The fourth, repetition. And the last one, easy access. And we know that WordWall offers more than 18 game templates to make learning enjoyable. And that's why we say that gamification, because points, challenges, and leaderboards increase students' motivation. And then students actively participate instead of only listening to the teacher. And then the student instantly see whether their answer are correct or incorrect. And games can be repeated many times to strengthen vocabulary memory. And the last one, easy access. That's why WordWall can be used on students' phones, laptops, or school computers. And then previous studies. I have 5 previous studies. The first one, Rahma, 2021, increases motivation. Students become more active and engaged when using WordWall. The second one, Fitriani and Aziza, 2022, improve vocabulary memory. Students remember vocabulary better after learning through WordWall. The third one, Saputra and Wijayanti, 2023, higher post-test scores. It means WordWall students get higher vocabulary test scores than traditional learners. The fourth one, Putri and Hidayat, 2024, supports long-term retention. That means WordWall helps students store vocabulary in long-term memory. And the last one, Pew studies in Islamic school. This research adds new evidence in the MTS context. And research method. Quasi-experimental design uses two groups, experimental or WordWall and control or traditional. Experimental group is for 8A, that's 31 students. This group was taught vocabulary using WordWall. Control group for 8B, that 31 students. This group used the teacher's regular teaching method and instrument, vocabulary test, multiple choices, test validated by expert and proven reliable. Procedures is pre-test, treatment, and post-test to measure vocabulary improvement before and after using WordWall. And the last, data analysis, t-test, normality, and homogeneity to determine whether the score differences are statistically significant. Conceptual framework. The first, interactive activities. WordWall provides fun and meaningful learning tasks. 2. Increase motivation and engagement. Students become more interested and focused. 3. Repetition through games. Repeat activities help students memorize vocabulary better. 4. Improve vocabulary mastery. This process leads to better vocabulary performance. 5. The fifth, better result than traditional teaching. That's all from me, and I'm so sorry if there's some mistakes. And I say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.